Here's how to smooth slow-mo in CapCut. Now, if you're doing a slow motion and you want to smooth it so it looks less jumpy and it just flows a bit better, I'm going to show you how to do that. Let's open up CapCut here, tap on New Project, and I'm just going to choose a video and hit Add here. Now on here, I am going to tap on the video and tap on speed. And let's say on here, I want to tap curve and custom and edit because I want to slow down certain parts of the video to do slow-mo. So let's say this part right here, I want to slow down that. Now you can see on here, it looks a bit fidgety at the point where it's slowed down. However, I can smooth that out just by tapping on Make It Smoother at the bottom. So I can tap on it, and there are a couple of different things. One is faster process or better quality. I would always recommend better quality. Let's choose that and hit the check mark here. And now you can see it goes through the process of smoothing this slow motion. It does take some basically effort to go through the process of doing this, but after it's done, it does really look quite a bit better. So I would recommend doing this anytime you're speeding up any video or slowing down any video, doing slow motion, fast, anything like that. I would recommend smoothing it as well. So now I can tap on that and you can see it's a lot smoother, it just looks a lot better. Basically, it doesn't look jumpy and kind of fidgety and all that stuff. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below and I'll catch you on the next one.